Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorials I'm going to be taking us on how to make a very easy pant, a free pant, elastic waist trouser. So I just want us to really be focused so we can get every details on how to make this simple free trouser. So from the very beginning, you just I'm going to be marking out the starting point like we usually do in our sewing. We mark out the starting point. Then the next thing is for us to, this starting point now is going to be my waist area. From my waist area now, I'm marking out the hip. As you can see, I've already done that. So my hip is 9 from the waist to my hip area is 9 centimeter. Then you join it. So from the hip area now, you measure 5 centimeter. That will be my thigh. The length of my thigh. Here I'm going to be marking I will be taking out the crotch from that line. This is my thigh line. Okay, so before I forgot, like I said, I forgot to tell us that before you start, you fold the fabric into two like you see me do. You see that? And you make sure that your folding we have the total length of your thigh plus 5 centimeter extra, as you can see. So I haven't done that. Now we are going to be inserting our hip circumference. So my hip circumference is, so as you can see on this hip circumference, this on this hip line, I'm going to be inserting my hip circumference, which is 14 centimeter. Okay, this is 14 centimeter. I'm going to take it to my waist circumference because it's a free trouser and I'm going to be using elastic. Okay, so then from the thigh, I will be inserting my thigh circumference, which is 32 divided by 2, and we have 16, which I already mark here. So for the thigh, you divide your thigh circumference by 2. So my thigh circumference by 2 divided by 2 is 16, which I have already marked here. Then to get the crotch, now you divide this 16 centimeter by 4 and you get it. You get 4 centimeter, which is approximately so. So I haven't done that, so you just connect the points together. Join this one to the waist area. Then you take the thigh measurements, the thigh circumference measurement from here. the 16 that we mark here, you take it all the way down to the length of the trouser. Then you're going to be joining it. You join the fabric. You cut out the So having done that, you fold the fabric again the second time to cut out the back panel of the trouser, and you make sure that it is wider like you see me do. So what you are going to be doing, you're going to be adding 2 centimeters at the top of the waist area, and you have 2 centimeters here at the waist area. But it depends on you. You can make it 2 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters, depends on you. So in this case, I'm going to be adding 1.5 meter, because I'm going to be attaching an elastic to the waist area. Then in the hip area, I attach another 2 centimeters. Then while in the crotch area, it will be 2.5 or 3, depending how big you are, but I'm going to be taking like so. Then so that is it. So I'm going to be joining the lines together just like we did before. As you can see, we've already done that. So this one is the front panel. The first one is the front panel. This one is the back panel. So what we are going to be doing now, we'll be taking it to this sewing machine. First of all, what you do, you just sew from here to this crotch area. You take this one, you sew it to the crotch area, you open it up and join it together. So I'll be doing that. I'll come and show you. As you can see, I've joined the front panel together. You can see it's like this, and the back panel also join it together. So the next thing for us to do now is to join the front and the back panel together. You remember that the back panel we have 2 pieces. We have 2 pieces like this. I joined it together like the way I showed you. I also went ahead and joined the two pieces of the front panel. Now we are going to join the two panels together, the front panel and the back panel together. So we are going to just go to the sewing machine and just sew from this end to that end. Then you also join, because the back panel is bigger than the front panel, so you just make sure that you align them together. You sew it like that. Then after doing that by the side, you also come and join the crotch area. I will come and show you that, okay? So guys, I've already finished joining the trouser together, the panels, the front panel and the back panel. I've already joined it together and I've stitched everywhere. So now I'm going to be working on the waist area. So I'm going to be attaching this one as the band on the waist area. So what I will do is that I lose one side of it, so I will be attaching this one on it just like that. I'll attach it round it. Then after doing that, I will now insert the elastic band to it. Then that will be the finished work. Then I will come down to the base of the trouser. Then I will fold this one inside and sew, and just like that. You can do it like twice and fold it. So that will be the end of the tutorial. So I will come back and show you the finished work, and I believe that we all understood what we had today. So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Thank you for your recommendation. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for everything. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. Share with your families and friends. Then I will be coming back to you to show you how I'm going to make a crop top for this trouser. Okay? God bless you. Bye. Okay guys, I've already finished. This is the finished work of the pants that we were doing. Look at the band here. You can see it has elastic there, as you can see. So we've come to the end of these tutorials. You see that they are all neatly sewn. You can see that. So we've come to the end of this tutorial, and I believe that you learned something. Please give me a comment concerning this tutorial class. If there's anything you want us to also make, you can put it in my comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe, share with your families and friends, and hit the notification button to be updated whenever I post a new video. So keep it in mind, I'm going to be posting the top of this pants, of this trouser that we made today. I'm going to be making a crop top on it. Then I will wear it and you guys will see it. Okay, so see you in my next class. Remain blessed. Bye.